this part. I do not like si gabasa akong buhok. Yeah, pero from here down to my soul, is this soul? Talampakan. Yeah, so I regularly wash. Yeah, by the way, I just want to say thank you to all who care to, watch my videos. So for the first time in my life since I, started doing vlogs, simple rin taon kayo doing videos. So it's the first time that I have a video that has reached already, um, as of now, as of the moment, it has reached already 1.2, yeah, 1,200, no, views. Pero ang nag-react 6 lang. And it has implication, I know. Diba? It has implication. So thank you so much. Anyway, some of my contents are, let's say, moral naman, di ba? Moral, di mo siya makadaot, di man siya kuan. Let's say, there is nothing that I violate in my video, and ako mga content, wala man ko i-violate. It's more on what? Sharing my thoughts only. My thoughts and my feelings and my perception, and also my experiences. Okay? So, if you are not, what is this? If you are not amenable with everything that I say, then maganda siya. That's normal, di ba? I'm open to that. For those who agree also, then thank you so much. Naguna siya. No matter how intelligent you are, no matter how smart you are, good looking you are, influential you are, you cannot expect everybody to always agree with your, with your thinking. Kaya iba-iba man, di ba? Every individual is unique after all, and we have our own intelligences. We have our own panglantaw. So di good. Di ba? Mag-argue pa man gali ang mama ug ang anak. Why? Because of that disparity, difference that we have. So let's be open to that. Kay kung open ta ni ana, still we can live in a peaceful world, di ba? Peaceful gahapon ta. Kay open man ana nga differences. Katong dili open mo na magkagubot. Mo na mag-away dayon, di ba? Ultimo pagpili kung sa color sa isulod sa anang event, has kang dugaya mahuman. It's a waste of time. Yeah, mo na nga, actually, I have so much analysis why our country, the Philippines, despite that we have, we are rich in natural resources, but the progress is so slow. Ngano man kay attitude. Gamayng butang, simpleng butang, dugay mahuman. Pagpili lang og isulob, dugay it takes so much time for everybody to, come up with a final decision. Ultimo unsa nga kitiring para sa event, para sa party, has kang dugaya. Sahay mas dugay pa sa tinuod nga agenda. Muna siya, so kanang time nga ma-waste, no, di biya na mabalik. Di man kumutuo ni ana ko, I don't agree to that statement ka, daga pa mag-oras, no. Nagamit og oras. Pero lahi na to siya, di ba? Ya, ako lang po na siyang pagsabot. So sa akong dapit na di ko ni ana. Daghan kayong Filipino nga way buhat. Na aragkoan, kung anarag tukong tagay. Chismis, no? You know the Marites. So dili na, dapat productive kada usa, di ba? Every one of us is supposed to be, productive. Bahala ginagmay-gagmay lang, dili gud anang punto nga naara gud hagtok kung way gibuhat. Nya manghimantay lang hinuon, it's a waste of time. Yes, labi na og naa ka sa workplace. So you're supposed to be working. Yeah, we have the privilege to take a break, di ba? To rest, to relax. Pero lahi man na naaman na enjoy time para niya na. Lahi po tong story nga, di ba? When the cat is away, the mice play. You know what I'm saying? So, anyway, going back to my main purpose for this video is, which is to, to express my gratitude to everybody who's watching my videos. So thank you so much. And for those who care to share my videos, so I really, really, appreciate it. And I hope you guys will continue to support my videos sa ingon ana nga gagmay nga paagi. But it means a lot. Okay? So, sa pagkakaroon, ang ako lang ikasukli is prayer. Yeah, that's true. From the bottom of my heart. Anyway, always pray for everybody. Hindi nyo lang alam. Alam nga naman sabihin ko, huy, I pray for you. Huy, friend, I pray for you. Mom, I pray for you. Neighbor, I pray for you. There's no need to do that. Yeah, and I hope you do the same. Let's pray for one another, di ba? Simple ram na buhaton, pero dako kaya na siya impact. Dako kaya na siya nga tabang. Yeah. Dili na siya makahurot. It doesn't, what is this? Di na makahurot sa imong energy ug sa imong beauty and IQ. Just saying, good morning once again. Have a nice day ahead. See you.